bleeding at the head. Very simple. How do you go about it? That's what we'll be discussing in this video. So, but before I start taking you through the steps, this is EMS-AFRICA, where we discuss on pre-hospital emergencies and first aid skills. So if you're new to this, kindly don't fail to subscribe.
First thing to do, you want to hold the dressing in place where it is bleeding. So you can do that with the assistant of the patient, or you can also have another bystander or your colleague can assist you to hold that. So on the other side, you can use your finger to ensure that you your next bandage over the dressing, it has much pressure. Then once you're convinced with the pressure that you just applied, you can now again secure that the same bandage with the same bandage. So you secure that way. Again, if you think there's need for you to apply more pressure over the dressing, again, that's the work of that bandage. Using the correct bandage, you can apply, as you can see here, more pressure is being applied over the dressing. Yes, keep rotating that as you keep applying the pressure over it. Over and over again. Very important. As you can see, it looks neat. Good pressure. And if you're done, just tuck it in. See how perfectly it has been dressed. Good dressing, very comfortable. That's how we manage it, and we transport them to the hospital. As you can see, this how we manage. For more videos on bandaging skills and more videos on other skills,
so thank you very much for watching, and as always, my name is Patrick Toya. If you've not subscribed, please do so, and it's my hope that I'll see you in my next video.